Are you tired of waiting for your life to change before you allow yourself to feel love and gratitude? What if I told you that the key to manifesting the life of your dreams is not in waiting for things to happen externally, but in feeling those emotions, love, gratitude, and fulfillment, right now? According to Dr. Joe Dispenza's teachings on the quantum model of reality, your emotions precede your experience. That's right. You don't have to wait for success, love, or abundance to feel grateful. You can start feeling those emotions today, and in doing so, you'll start attracting the experiences you want into your life. This powerful shift in perspective could be the missing link to creating the life you've always envisioned. Stay tuned to learn how you can unlock this transformative process by activating the power of your heart. Welcome back to Power of Thought, the channel where we explore the cutting-edge science and spirituality behind manifesting the life you desire. Whether it's love, health, financial abundance, or inner peace that you're seeking, we believe that your thoughts and emotions hold the key to attracting everything you want. Today, we're diving into a powerful concept that blends both science and spiritual wisdom: the deep connection between your heart and your emotions, and how you can use this connection to create your future. We'll explore why the heart is more than just a pump that keeps you alive. It's the energetic center of your being, a magnet for attracting what you desire. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with practical, actionable tools that will help you activate the power of your heart, align with elevated emotions like love and gratitude, and magnetize the experiences you want into your life. This knowledge has the potential to transform not only how you see your life, but how you experience your day-to-day reality. Let's get started. If you've ever tried to shift your mindset or change your life, you've probably encountered the inner voice that asks, "Why should I feel love or gratitude if things haven't changed for me yet?" This is a totally natural reaction, because for most of our lives, we've been conditioned to believe that we need to see external changes before we can feel better. For example, we think that once we achieve success, then we'll feel happy, or once we meet our soulmate, then we'll feel love. But here's the thing: this approach is backward. According to Dr. Joe Dispenza's teachings on the quantum model of reality, your emotions don't follow your experiences. They create your experiences. The way you feel on the inside actually shapes your outer reality. When you practice feeling love, joy, or gratitude before the experience happens, you're not just faking it. You're signaling to the universe and to your own body that you're ready to receive. This is where the heart comes in. The heart is more than just a physical organ. It's an energy center, often called the heart chakra, that holds immense creative power. When you activate your heart and practice feeling elevated emotions like love and gratitude, you begin to shift your entire energetic state. The heart, when activated, produces an external magnetic field up to 3 meters wide. Yes, you heard that right. This magnetic field is like a beacon that interacts with the quantum field around you, a field of infinite potential where all possibilities exist. In survival mode, which most of us are stuck in, we tend to draw energy from this field to cope with stress, fear, and challenges. This energy turns into chemistry, the hormones of stress, which keep us stuck in a reactive, low-energy state. But when we switch from survival to creation, when we activate our heart with the energy of love and gratitude, we are tapping into the heart's creative power. When you start to live in this elevated state, your body and mind don't know the difference between your current reality and the future you're dreaming of. Your biology begins to shift to reflect that future. This is where manifestation becomes a reality. The more you feel love, the more transformed you become inside, and your body starts to match the energy of your desired future. The quantum field responds to your elevated emotions, and the future you want begins to unfold. Now, let's talk about the brain. The stronger the emotions you feel, especially emotions like love, joy, and gratitude, the more your brain is affected. When something happens that evokes a strong emotion, like an inspiring moment or a heartwarming memory, your brain essentially freezes that moment. It takes a mental snapshot, and the memory becomes deeply embedded in your brain's neural networks. This is why past trauma or negative experiences can be so hard to shake. They are imprinted into your mind through strong emotions. However, here's the fascinating part. The same process happens when you experience future emotions. When you visualize your ideal future and feel the emotions associated with it, your brain doesn't know whether that experience is real or imagined. You can literally teach your body and mind to remember a future event as if it's already happened. This is where heart-brain coherence comes into play. By opening your heart and feeling love, you create a coherent energy field that directly influences your brainwave patterns. Research shows that when the heart beats in a coherent rhythmic pattern, the brain also shifts into a state of coherence, producing what are known as alpha brainwaves. This is the creative state, the state where the voice in your head quiets down, and you begin to tap into a deeper level of imagination and intuition. Let's dive even deeper into the role of the heart as a magnet. When your heart is open and activated, it generates energy that carries a specific frequency. And here's the kicker. This frequency carries information. That means you can imprint your intentions, whether it's a new relationship, improved health, or financial abundance, onto the energy coming from your heart. You are, in essence, broadcasting the frequency of your future reality to the universe. But there's a critical aspect to this. You can't manifest from a place of need, lack, or desperation. If you're constantly focused on what you don't have, or if you're trying to control every outcome, you're sending out a frequency that matches lack, not abundance. And the universe will reflect that back to you. That's why it's so important to embody love and wholeness every day. When you practice being love, you become aligned with the frequency of your desires. The exciting part? When you're so full of love and gratitude in the present moment, you stop feeling lack altogether. You become so content and fulfilled that your heart naturally magnetizes experiences and people that resonate with that same energy. In relationships, this shift is transformative. You stop looking for someone to complete you because you already feel whole within yourself. When you're not dependent on another person for your happiness, the energy you share becomes a powerful amplification of love rather than an attachment. This is when you attract someone who complements your energy, not out of need, but out of true alignment. When two people's hearts are truly open and aligned, their energy fields interact in a way that multiplies their connection. Their hearts are in sync, and the energy they share is exponentially greater. This is what makes loving relationships so powerful. They're built on mutual wholeness and amplified joy. Now, imagine waking up every day feeling full of love, gratitude, and excitement for the future you're creating. You don't have to wait for external changes to feel these emotions. They are within your power right now. So, how do you start? It's simple. Begin practicing feelings of love and gratitude as if your dream life has already manifested. The stronger and more consistent those feelings are, the more you'll transform on a biological level. If you're ready to take this journey deeper, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. I'll be sharing more videos that dive into the science of manifestation, heart-brain coherence, and creating your dream reality. Together, we can create a world where love, abundance, and joy are the norm. Thank you for tuning in to Power of Thought. Remember, your heart is the gateway to your dreams, and you have the power to create the life you desire. Until next time, keep your heart open and keep manifesting the life you deserve.